This is how they are when they're disengaged and your tools hanging underneath your workbench. This is what bolts to your workbench, and this is where you would bolt your bench grinder or whatever tool you can fit. I make one for a vise, and I make this size for a little bit bigger tool that needs a little more clearance here and here. So this is how they work. You would swing it up, and then that snaps solid. It doesn't snap solid, it snaps it up and holds it while you crank it solid. This crank, you crank it tight, and then it's a solid platform. Even more solid with the vise. This is tapered to 82 degrees, which is also countersunk, where it engages here to 82 degrees. So that lines it up, keeps it solid. It can't go anywhere. And then that stretches all the play out of the swing arm and makes a super solid platform.
I'm going to hold that glass on there. I'm going to crank it solid.
She's up. Drop it. Crank it up solid.